Okay, so right now we finished the brows, and what we're doing is we're doing a, we did the pre-draw for her eyeliner. So it looks just like a simple, done. I usually use pigment with like a little tiny brush, and we just drew on a little tiny wing there. I'm gonna do a little shadow, natural shadow, and we just make sure that they're even. We had her sit up just to look because gravity is different when she's laying down, and then we'll show you guys when it's all done.
So this is crying because I'm happy, not because of pain. Look at my eyeliner. I look like a girl.
So cute.
Look at my eyebrows. I'm so happy.